Would I recommend KMK? Absolutely, undoubtedly, yes. I would absolutely recommend KMK. They're a phenomenal bunch. A friend of ours recommended KMK, a friend of ours who's an architect and works with KMK, and she recommended us to KMK. So my experience with KMK from the beginning to the end of the renovation was absolutely fantastic. The on-site manager was on-site every day. I used to come every day as much as possible because I was interested in seeing how the progress, how the work progress was going, but it was just absolutely fantastic seeing things progressing on a daily basis, interacting with the individuals that were working, and everyone was super friendly and super professional, and the quality of work was just phenomenal, and seeing that every day was just awesome. So the work that KMK did in my home, I just think it made the home so much better than it was before. I think the renovation, our decision to do the renovation and to spend a couple of months doing the renovation in a house that was nice, but it's just lifted it up to a level that I think that it just makes it so much better of a home and so much more appealing, and I almost guarantee that the value of the property is actually increased quite substantially as well, but it was just phenomenal and the quality of work was just superb. So communication-wise, KMK used the app, which I'd never heard of before. This was the first time that I actually saw the app, but it was fantastic. Matthew would take a photograph, lots of photographs almost on a daily basis, and post it to the app. So the days that I wasn't around, it was just great to see the progress, and I could share the progress with my kids, with my wife. So communication was absolutely superb, and the app just made it so much better. Would I recommend KMK? Absolutely, undoubtedly, yes. I would absolutely recommend KMK. They're a phenomenal bunch, and the work that they've done and the renovation was absolutely superb. Really happy with everything that was done on the property.